My name is Laura, I'm a tour guide, and this is the chef.
Francesca.
We are in Parma, the capital of food, and we'll show you how to make really Italian recipes. Today, we're doing a live cooking class. The weather now in February in Parma is cloud and rainy, so it's a very good day to make pasta at home. With only a few ingredients, you can make many types of recipes, so you can have a lot of fantasy. Today, we're making orecchiette and guitar spaghetti with the purple pasta. We're making the orecchiette with semolina flour, so the yellow flour. We can use a well balanced flour, which is more grainy, or a remeal, which means it's finer. With the well balanced, the result is rougher. With the remeal, the result is smoother. Orecchiette is made with 400 grams of semolina flour, 200 grams of warm water, and one pinch of salt. The salt is not to give flavor, but it's to stabilize the gluten mash, um, and it gives elasticity to the dough. A type of pasta that is typical of Emilia-Romagna is the garganelli, like tagliatelle, which are made with 300 grams of 00 flour, 3 eggs. So every 100 grams of flour, 00, we use 1 egg. In the tagliatelle, if you want the result if you want the result firmer, you have to use also semolina flour. So 300 grams of semolina flour, sorry, 300 grams of 00 flour, 100 of semolina, and 4 eggs. For the guitar spaghetti, we use this tool. Guitar spaghetti is typical of Abruzzo. Instead, the purple pasta is purple because we use beetroot. 190 grams of 00 flour, 60 grams of beetroot, and 1 egg. When you use spinach or beetroot in the pasta, you need to use a smaller quantity of eggs because they are already wet. Now here there is a student that is kneading the dough of the orecchiette. So in the orecchiette we don't use eggs but just water because in southern Italy they use more water and instead in Emilia Romagna we use more eggs. Then you need a knife with a rounded edge. You take a piece of pasta, small piece of pasta, then you drag it with a knife, and this is a cavatello. Then if you turn it on the other side with the thumb is a orecchietta. Now here there's another student that is sieving the beetroot into the dough. Now we're gonna show you how to make the guitar spaghetti. You pick up a pasta sheet and then you put some flour on top. Then you use a rolling pin and you push the pasta sheet into the guitar tool. Then you push it very well And then you have the spaghetti. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and like the video. Thank you for watching.